Hello and welcome to Behind the Pipes, a mini-series where we take you behind the scenes of the pipe organ here at First United Methodist Church in Florence, Alabama. I'm your host, Sam Fleming. In today's episode, we're taking a quick look at the inside of the organ console and what happens when lightning strikes and all that other exciting stuff. So let's take a look. Whenever we have a big storm come through Florence and lightning strikes and the power goes out and anything like that, we have a major issue where all the presets clear out. And if that happens late on a Saturday night, which has happened several times since my time being here, that creates a big issue where I come in and there's nothing saved. And so I didn't have to scramble at 7:45 in the morning or 7:30 in the morning to reset all the pistons so that it's ready to play for the service. And so that will all be solved by a new system. Now we're going to take a look at the inside of the console right now so you can see a little more of those electronics and see what we mean by stuff that needs to be replaced there. So here we are with the inside of the organ. So if you take a look here, you can take a look at most of this is all completely original to the instrument, with the exception of recently we had a few of these little cards that were replaced. So while this technology is not gone bad yet, well, some of them have, which is why they've been replaced, but organ builders don't make this technology anymore. And we've already had a few of these go out, and luckily our organ maintenance company, the Milner Organ Company, happened to have a few spare ones that were parted out. But if we'd like this instrument to serve us for at least another 5 to 7 years, we need to explore a new option there. And so that new option would be a state-of-the-art solid-state drive that would be here. So that would eliminate a lot of the cords that you see here, and we would essentially take out all of the panels here and replace it with a solid state drive. Now the cool thing about that is not only will that solve our issues with setting pistons and solve our issues with when lightning strikes or the power goes out, but it will also solve our issues of only having one level of memory. So right now there's 22 pistons on the organ console right now. With this new system, that will give us 126 memory levels. So that means 26 pistons times 126. Now that gives us a lot more possibilities, even for music for Sunday morning, that allows me to use a lot of different sounds in different pieces. It also allows guest organists or other organists who come to play here the ability to set their own settings without saving the general settings that are already there. And it also provides the opportunity for when we have concert and recital organists come, the opportunity to save their settings as well. So really getting rid of or parting ways with this late 70s, early 80s technology is long overdue, and something that we are looking forward to doing to help the organ be more serviceable in the next several years. Now that's all we have for today's episode of Behind the Pipes. We hope you will join us next time as we literally go behind the pipes and explore the inside of the organ chambers. We hope that as you've been learning about the pipe organ here at First United Methodist Church in Florence, Alabama, that you will consider giving to the Organ Fund to help us fund the repairs that we need to make to the instrument, as well as any future plans that we have for a new instrument. I'm Sam Fleming, signing off from Behind the Pipes.